Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. First of all, open up the settings of your phone. Once you get into its settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now, from General, go into the iPhone storage option. Then, from the iPhone storage, scroll down here. When you find the Snapchat app in your storage, tap to go into your Snapchat application. Once you get into your app, tap to offload app. After that, open up the Snapchat application. When you get into your account, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, go to Chats and open up your friends chat. Now, tap to go into your friend's profile. Once you get into your friend's profile, tap on three dots from the top right corner. After that, tap on the Manage Friendship option from the menu. Tap to remove friend from here. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.